Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use PicsArt on laptop. PicsArt is an online creative editing platform used for graphic design, social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, poster, banners and digital artwork. Unlike heavy software, PicsArt works directly in a web browser, making it perfect perfect for beginners, students, content creators and small businesses. In this video we will cover everything accessing PicsArt, account creation, canvas sizes, interface, break down every major tool, crop, adjust effects, filters, text tools and typography, stickers, shapes, overlays and elements, AI tools and background removal, layer system, explain it clearly. And this is a complete guide, so watch till the end. So to begin with, you need to open to any of your web browser on your laptop. PicsArt works best on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox. After that, in the address bar top, type down picsart.com. Over here, once you reach into this interface, you do not need to download any software. Everything runs online. And on the top right corner, we could find this option for the start creating or login. Over here, what you can do is PicsArt allows you to log in using your email, password, Google account, Facebook account. But if you are new, you can select to this start creating. And creating an account allows you to save project online, access templates, use cloud storage, sync across devices. And after logging in, you can continue with your Google, continue with your Facebook, Apple, or with email as well. As I'm going to select this with email, type down your email or the username that you want to put in your PicsArt and select continue, and type down your unique password as well and select this small box here that you want expertly curated tips, exclusive offers and the latest from PicsArt if you want that. But if you do not prefer that, please select that. And after you're done, select create my account, and over here it will get you to your dashboard of the PicsArt. The dashboard is the control center of the PicsArt. Here you'll create button at the top. Here you can start a new design template sections. Over here all of the templates you can find it, AI effects, quick start design library and the trending design for the inspiration. And in the left menu usually includes your home, discover, project, brand kit, assistant or the flow. And this area helps you manage all your creative work. In order to create a new design, canvas and sizes, you need to select this start a new design here. Over here you'll now see the option either you want to drag and drop images and videos from your browse file instead of you want to create from the blank canvas. You can do that as well. And now you are inside the PicsArt editor. Here's what you see on the left hand panel. You'll find all of this editing tools, your image, canvas, or if you do not have an image over here, you can find this blank space on the top bar. You can find this undo, redo or the crop as well. And each tool works on the layer which allows non-destructive editing, and the basic editing tools is crop and resize over here. We can simply crop by selecting to this last part of the image here and make it smaller or the bigger as per your size. You can adjust the size, change aspect ratio and the rotate the image as well. You can also adjust on the controls, brightness, contrast, how much zoom in, zoom out you want to, and how much highlights and the shadows you want to prefer here as well. Over here on the create panel, on the left hand side you can find a ton of tools, and every tool you see here is designed to help you build designs from scratch, edit photos and videos, create thumbnails, posters and social media content. You can also add professional visual elements. In this section we will explain every single option one by one. First, let's start with the uploads. Over here in this uploads you can add your photos from your laptop, PNG image, video, transparent background, logos, screenshots, graphic assets. And when you click onto this upload here, you can simply upload to your photo from your library. You can select any of the photo that you want, and that is it. It will just upload it in your editing size as well, and each uploaded file becomes its own independent layer, meaning you can resize it, rotate it, move it freely, adjust capacity, delete or duplicate it. And upload are essentials when working with your personal photos, brand logos or custom overlays. Over here in the text just below this upload, the text tool allows you to add written content to your design. When you click to this text over here, you can find this add text, or you can also type down any of the simple template of your text from your PicsArt by itself. As I'm going to select add a text, and it will automatically comes in over here. A text box appears on the canvas. You can type any words or the sentence, and PicsArt provides dozens of free fonts, stylish headlines and clean body text fonts. Text customization often include your font size, font selection and color paper. And text customization option include your alignment as well, line spacing and the letter spacing. Advanced text styling includes your shadows, effects, below effects, background highlight behind the text. And text is commonly used for your YouTube thumbnails, quotes and captions, posters and banners and branding designs. And over here just below there's a collages. Here in the collages you can add multiple photos in one design. Now let's talk about the collages. The collage tool lets you combine multiple images into a single layout, and when you click to this collage here, you can find this grid, how many grids that you want to put in the editing of your PicsArt. PicsArt offers grid style layouts. You can also create freestyle collages. Collage type include grid collages, frame based collages, freestyle drag and drop collages, and each image inside a collage can still be adjusted, filtered and cropped independently. Collages are the perfect for Instagram post, before and after comparison and travel photo collection. Over here just below the collages, over here we can also find this template. Template are the pre-designed layouts made by PicsArt designers, and when you click templates you'll see the designs for the social media, posters, ads, thumbnails, and stories. Template already include your text placement, color themes, graphic elements. You simply replace text, swap images, customize colors. Templates save time and are ideal for the beginner who want professional result without designing from the scratch. And over here on the photos, this is the stock image library. The photo selection section provides stock images directly inside the PicsArt. You can search for your nature, your photos, and these photos are high quality, ready to use, copyright safe inside the PicsArt, and stock photos are great for thumbnails, marketing design, and the blog graphics. Thus below we can find this video elements. PicsArt also support video content from the video section. You can upload short video clips, add animated elements, create simple motion designs, and videos can be trimmed, positioned, combined with text and stickers. And this is useful for social media, reels, short promotional content as well. Over here on the sticker, this is the icon. The sticker tool is one of the PicsArt most popular features. Stickers include your emojis, icons, decorative graphics here. Once you click on it, you'll find the tons of stickers that you want to put in the editing zone as well. You can add the multiple sticker, resize and rotate them. You can also upload your own sticker as the PNG files. Stickers add personality and creativity to the design. Over here in this elements are the basic design building blocks. This includes the shapes, lines, arrows here, frames, gradients. Elements are used for the layout, structure, highlighting text, creating borders, and you can adjust the color, opacity, or the size. And elements are extremely important in professional graphic design. And over here just below there's a background as well. The background tool controls the entire canvas background, and you can change the background color, apply gradient, use image background, add texture patterns, and this tool is useful for the poster, social media graphics, clean minimalist designs. And the draw tool just below that, the draw tool allows freehand drawing. You can draw usually mouse touchpad. Over here you can select to this color of the drawing as well, and that is it. Draw tool include your brush types, eraser, color picker, brush size, controller draw is useful for the sketching, highlighting, or edits. And over here just below this apps are advanced tools inside the PicsArt. These includes the AI effect, artistic filters, special transformation. Apps automate complex edits using artificial intelligence. And just below there's a badge as well. This shows a premium features, only pro tools can use it, and new or trending option. This helps users identify which tool require PicsArt. And over here, and after you're done, you can click save or export in the top right over here. You can also copy the link. You can send it to your friends, or if you want to share your link in any of the other social, you can select to this. And if you want to download this image, you can simply select to this download. Either it will ask you for the JPG or the PNG transparent background. Choose the quality setting before downloading, and after you're done, select download. And always use layers properly, avoid overusing filters, keep designing clean, match colors carefully, save projects regularly. So this was a complete guide on how to use PicsArt on a laptop, from opening the website to exporting professional designs. You know now everything you need to get started and grow creatively. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.